like to take you on my photo shoot. No, it's not my photo shoot. How I work. This is my life. Here in London. What is this area called? I think something like Portobello? Portobello? Where is it? Don't know. But in front of me it's called Jameson Street. There you go, I'm in the middle of the ocean. And that's all that's in there. I think that's it for 2 days.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, don't poo on me. Oh god.
Done!
Christ.
No. Not.
My leg is so annoying. Hi. Where is it? Focus on me. Hi. So I just done the photo shoot. I just took a bus because the location of the photo shoot is very near from my place, because I live around Marylebone and the photo shoot is around Chelsea, Kensington. Yeah, I'm trying so hard to vlog as much as I can while I'm working, but it was so hard. So that's the only sneak peek that I can share to you guys, because I need to wait until they launch. So yeah, that's it. Alright, I'm nearby my place now. I can't wait for my dinner, and see you next time. Bye.